How to shop online without OTP hassles using prepaid cards. Ever get frustrated by constantly needing OTPs for your online shopping? Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid that hassle using prepaid cards. A prepaid card is a type of payment card that is preloaded with funds. It works just like a debit or credit card, but without linking to your personal bank account. There are several types of prepaid cards, like Visa and MasterCard gift cards, or cards offered by specific retailers like Amazon or Walmart. Each of these can be used for online purchases without needing an OTP. To use your prepaid card online, simply select it as your payment method during checkout. Enter the card details, just like you would with any credit or debit card. Websites like Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy all accept prepaid cards, making your shopping experience seamless and secure. Thank you for watching. Prepaid cards are a simple and secure way to shop online without the hassle of OTPs. Remember, always shop responsibly and protect your financial information. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions or need more guidance. Until next time, shop smart and stay secure. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not promote any illegal or unethical practices related to online shopping.